Welcome to Super Top. Today we're comparing two popular cordless vacuums that have taken cleaning to the next level, the Dyson V8 and Dyson V8 Plus. Both offer incredible power, versatility, and some special features designed for pet owners. But which one is right for you? We're here to break down the key similarities and differences to help you make the best choice. And as always, you'll find the best prices for both models linked in the video description below. Let's dive in. Similarities. Color. Both the Dyson V8 and V8 Plus share the classic Dyson design and color scheme with sleek metallic finishes and sturdy construction. They're built not only for performance but also to look good in any home. Power and battery life. Each model offers up to 40 minutes of fade-free power, making them great for quick, high-powered cleaning. Both vacuums feature a 21.6 volts battery and require about 5 hours to reach a full charge. Whole machine filtration. Both models use advanced whole machine HEPA filtration, capturing 99.99% of particles as small as 0.3 microns. This is a great feature for anyone concerned about indoor air quality or suffering from allergies. Cleaning modes. The Dyson V8 and V8 Plus each have two cleaning modes, standard mode for everyday cleaning and max mode for more intensive spot cleaning. This flexibility lets you choose the power you need to get the job done while preserving battery life. Converts to handheld. Both vacuums transform easily into handheld models, perfect for cleaning cars, stairs, or tight spaces. Each also includes Dyson's hair screw tool, specifically designed to capture pet hair on upholstery and in hard-to-reach areas. Accessories and storage. Both come with 4 Dyson-engineered attachments, including a motorized brush head, crevice tool, combination tool, and the wall docking station for easy storage and charging. Find the links to the best prices for both the Dyson V8 and Dyson V8 Plus in the video description below. Differences. Additional features. While both models include the essential tools, the Dyson V8 Plus has some extra features tailored to homes with multiple pets or heavy cleaning needs. The V8 Plus includes an additional advanced dirt ejection mechanism that ensures a cleaner emptying experience with minimal dust exposure. Cleaning power. The V8 Plus's motor bar cleaner head is specifically enhanced for dealing with long hair and pet hair, with detangling vanes that remove wrapped hair as you clean. This makes it ideal if you're looking for a vacuum that can tackle pet hair with even more ease. Weight. Both models are lightweight, but the V8 Plus is built with some newer materials to increase durability while maintaining the same 5.6-pound weight. This slight improvement makes it even easier to use for high-up cleaning tasks, especially when using the wall-mounted storage. Smart features. With the V8 Plus, you have the added benefit of connecting to the My Dyson app. This app offers personalized guides, maintenance reminders, and tips to get the most out of your vacuum. If you appreciate connectivity and device tracking, the V8 Plus gives you a little extra tech for that purpose. Check the description for links to access the best deals on both of these models. In summary, both the Dyson V8 and Dyson V8 Plus offer impressive suction, versatility, and convenience for cordless cleaning. If you're seeking excellent everyday cleaning with a reliable vacuum that's easy to use and maintain, the Dyson V8 offers great value. However, if you have multiple pets, long hair, or prefer an added level of functionality with app support, the V8 Plus will provide those additional advantages. Remember, you can find the links to the best prices for both the Dyson V8 and V8 Plus in the description below. Remember to like the video, comment, and activate the notification bell. See you at the next Super Top!